Let's draw unicorns in a magical world together!
Today we are going to paint a cute unicorn. I'm going to use pastel colors. I am coloring the clouds light blue. Use all the colors you want. Remember, the template is in the description. Download it and let's color together. Now I'm going to color the rainbow. The stars, too. Lots of pastel colors. Color non-stop. You're a little artist. Now I'm going to color my unicorn. It's beautiful. I'm going to color it pink. I like pink. We're almost finished with our unicorn. Just a few small details left, and we're done! I highlight with markers. I'm going to add a little glitter to it. I love my unicorn. A little bit of glitter on the clouds. And my unicorn drawing is ready. I hope yours turns out beautifully.
I hope you color your unicorn. Remember to leave a like and see you next time. And subscribe!